Okay, so next we will see different modes of changing the visual settings for your drawing objects, which in this basically SketchUp model space. Okay, so once you have some sample objects in the place, and you can actually have something like a backdrop for it. For that, you have to click on this button up here which says display photorealistic materials, and this applies and an environment lighting as well. So it sort of goes into a sort of like a real world around it. And then we can change between different visual styles. So I can go from here to display shaded using all the same, and then you can have other options such as display in shaded mode, and this one is hidden lines mode, which basically shows the other hidden lines behind. And then it shows the wireframe mode, which is like a complete wireframe without any shades. And then we also have, let's go back again to this one, and then we also have the back edges. So now it actually shows if it is a back edges with a dashed line. So we know that if it is a dashed line, we know that is basically back edges. And then this one is an X-ray mode. So with the X-ray mode, you can actually see it like a transparent object, even though it is shaded. So if you don't want it to be shaded, you can actually go back to one of these modes where it basically shows only all the edges. Okay, and you can also turn these things off. So these are optionals to turn it on and off, and if you turn it off, you can see it becomes like a solid object. And then you can change the view where we are looking at it right now. So you can see all these ones, which is, this is for ISO, and this is for the top view, and this is for the front, right, left, back, and bottom. Okay, all the different types of views that you can actually switch between them. And you can always do a double mouse click to actually bring it to the center of the screen. You can use your middle mouse button to rotate it, and shift and middle mouse button to pan it. You can do all that sort of stuff as well. And you also have a zoom extend button right here, which basically zooms everything. Every object that's in the drawing will actually zoom it into the visible screen. Okay, so that's all the different options to actually set all the different types of visual styles within the model space. Okay, we'll see again in another one. Thank you.